of peace. This is our cry, this is our prayer. Peace in the world. Peace remembrance ceremonies not only reflect the horrors of the humanitarian consequences of the use of nuclear weapons, but also provide an opportunity for citizens of all nations to work together to ensure nuclear weapons are not used again. Sadako Sasaki, the victim, was 2 years old child when the bomb fell on Hiroshima. She was exposed to the toxic black rain. She developed radiation-induced leukemia and died at the age of 12. She had famously folded more than 1,000 paper cranes, Sadako birds, in the hope of recovery. That is why we all remember and honor them by making Sadako birds in the memory and as a call for peace. LATHEEFIYA Senior Secondary School students held their hands together and formed a human chain in the shape of Sadako bird and honored the victims and prayed for the peace throughout the world. Students of LATHEEFIYA has reminded the world about Sadako, who was one of hundreds and thousands of lives who suffered due to inhumane decisions of arrogant and aggressive leaders of times. Nuclear science is not for war to kill masses, but for medicine and peace to cure millions.